Imagine you've just installed a critical piece of hardware, a heavy-duty irrigation pump, powering a commercial farm, far away from the nearest city. It's powerful. It's wired perfectly, and it works, but it has one fatal flaw. It is completely blind and completely mute. One night, a power surge hits. The pump stops, and no one knows. Water stops flowing. Crops begin to dry. And by the time anyone notices, the damage is already done. Because the hardware couldn't ask for help. But wait, what if this story could be different? What if we could give this machine a brain and a voice? With an ESP32 and a cellular module, the system can detect failure instantly, process the data, and send it to the cloud in milliseconds. The moment something goes wrong, the system speaks. An alert reaches the farmer. Instantly, she responds before it's too late. That is the power of IoT. Not just connected devices, but intelligent systems that protect what matters. Welcome to IoT Bhai.
Hey everyone, welcome back to IoT Bhai. Hope all you are good. I am Tipo from here. I am also good. You already watched a scene before the intro. I hope you already understand what I am trying to show you. Yes, the Internet of Things. And today is the first episode of Full-Stack IoT Engineer Bootcamp. And today I will show you what is IoT and the architecture of IoT and how it works and some application of IoT. So what is Internet of Things? You can see in the term IoT there is T mean things and things mean physical object. There are billion of things around us. What can be things? Anything. Your chair, your table, your shoes, your mirror, your kitchen stuff, your fridge, your AC, your TV, your car or your motorbike. Everything can be a physical object. And in this physical object, we will add some low cost computing chip and network. So that's become an IoT nodes and active IoT nodes who sending the data. So these nodes are connected with the internet globally and actively sharing the real-time data. And these IoT nodes can be triggered with another IoT nodes with real-time automated without human involvement. So let's see a real world application. So this is very convenient application. In our kitchen we already burning the gas to cook and there is some bulb and there is a IoT gas sensor. This IoT gas sensor and the smart bulb are communicate with our local gateway. So if there is a gas leakage and our IoT gas sensor detect that gas leakage, so it will send the gas leakage data immediately in our local gateway and our local gateway immediately close the valve to pass the gas and it send a critical alert to our phone. So think about it, that can be a life saving and all are happened without any human involvement. So these things, the IoT gas sensor and smart valve are talking with each others with the help of network. So that is IoT. So how IoT works? There are mainly 4 stage architecture. We already know the physical layer, the sensor and device layer. So any physical devices, we will add some chip and network and make them IoT devices or IoT in nodes. And this sensor connected with a network gateway and the communication method can be wired or wireless. Wireless are low range protocol like Bluetooth, Zigbee. Thus the physical layer 1 and 2 communicate with each other. And then the gateway gathering all the data from sensor and devices and this gateway send those data to the cloud for analytics and decision making. And in the layer 3, cloud and analytics our incoming data and send them to the user interface, which is layer 4. So in the user interface, user can see live data, live dashboard. So these are the 4 stages of IoT architecture. So let's see some real world IoT application or the scope of IoT. The industrial IoT. We have predictive machine maintenance, automatic air control and real-time supply chain tracking and many more applications of industrial IoT. Then it's come to smart cities. we already used to with that the intelligent traffic management, smart grids or energy distribution, and automated waste management. Then it comes to our healthcare. We already facing these healthcare facilities like remote patient vital monitoring, smart wearable or biosensor, and hospital access and inventory tracking. And agriculture, this is a major IoT application field. So in the agriculture, we have automated irrigation system, we have automated drone crop survey, and there are many agriculture sensor. And smart logistic, smart fleet and routing, cold chain temperature monitoring, and connected autonomous vehicles. So how we forget about smart home things? This is the most common application of Internet of Things, and when we hear the term of Internet of Things or IoT, first things comes the smart home things like smart fridge or smart TV, smart AC, it can be anything, and we already have some experience with that, I think. So if we see IoT adoption by sector, the main sector is industrial and manufacturing is 35%, smart home and consumer is 25%, healthcare and medical is 20%, smart cities and infrastructure is 15%, and other logistic and retail is 5%. And a very interesting fact is that the number of IoT connected devices is increasing day by day. So from 2022 to 2026 is 32.1 billion active IoT devices right now. And this number is increasing day by day. So we already know what is IoT, how it works, and we already see an example of IoT in the gas leakage detection. So in our Full-Stack IoT Engineer Bootcamp, in the last video we show you we divided our bootcamp into 3 phases. The phase 1 is fundamental, and this fundamental means our physical layer 1, the layer 1 of IoT. It's all are about microcontrollers, sensors, and hardware level learning. And then layer 2 is the connectivity. So how our microcontroller transmit the raw data of sensors to the gateway, and these two layers combined are called the embedded system. So in our phase 1, the fundamental one, we will learning the embedded system first. So in the next video, we will explore what is embedded system, how it works, and what skill need to learn the embedded system. So stay with IoT Bhai, stay with me, stay with Full-Stack IoT Engineer Bootcamp. I hope it will be a very interesting and a very good bootcamp.